Hey everyone, and welcome back. We've spent this series building with AI, from intelligent code completions to a full-stack chatbot. We've seen just how powerful these tools are. But as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it's crucial to consider the broader implications. In this lesson, we'll talk about the ethical considerations of using AI in coding, including issues like intellectual property and job security. We'll also look at the next steps for developers in this new landscape. This is a critical discussion for anyone who wants to be a responsible and forward-thinking developer in the age of AI. Let's get started. One of the most debated topics is intellectual property. When AI generates code based on open source projects, who owns the code? Is it the AI, the original author, or you, the developer? This is still being figured out by legal systems worldwide. For now, a best practice is to be aware of the licenses of the code you're working with. If an AI generates a snippet, review it to ensure it doesn't contain proprietary code or violate licenses like the GPL. It's on you to ensure your project remains compliant. Many developers worry that AI will replace them, but a better way to think about it is that the role of developer is evolving. AI automates repetitive, mundane tasks, freeing you up to focus on higher-level problem solving, architectural design, and creative thinking. You'll become more of a human-in-the-loop manager, guiding and auditing the AI's work rather than just a code writer. The future belongs to developers who can master both coding and AI collaboration. Even with the most advanced AI, there will always be a need for the human touch. This includes understanding a client's nuanced requirements, communicating with non-technical stakeholders, and ensuring the final product is secure, user-friendly, and maintainable. AI can write code, but it can't manage a project, lead a team, or empathize with a user's frustration. These are the uniquely human skills that will become even more valuable in the years to come. A major trap is becoming a prompt monkey, someone who just copies and pastes AI-generated code without understanding it. This leads to brittle, insecure, and unmaintainable code. To avoid this, a key best practice is to continuously learn. Stay up to date on AI models, but also double down on your computer science fundamentals. The more you know, the better you can audit and refine the AI's output. The best developers of the future will be the ones who are excellent coders and skilled AI prompters. This concludes our series on AI in coding. But our journey doesn't stop here. We're launching a new series that dives into more advanced topics. Our next lesson will be the start of our new series, JavaScript for AI and Python Advanced series, where we'll explore new libraries and build even more complex projects. Hope to see you there. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Your support helps us create more great content.